Hello guys, we're playing Brickrigs and we're gonna have fun.
And we also playing online, huh?
Yeah, I made my server. There's already one person in here. And yeah.
You driving this car?
Crown Victoria, I think.
Really?
Doesn't look like a Crown Victoria. I know.
Never heard of that kind of car. That brand.
I did. This car goes pretty fast. Oh wait. What is that car over there? That's it. That's the player who joined.
He's also driving, huh?
Jesus Christ.
What happened to you?
What was that?
Accident?
What the
Oh,
flip?
the car is broken, huh?
I can just reset it by teleporting in the same place.
Are you going just to drive, huh? All the time?
Mom, stop first. Nice cool drift though. In my car. And type car.
Wanna drive? Drive?
Yeah! Look, Lamborghini. It's like an LED Lamborghini. Ooh, this is drifty. New.
Maybe spawn something, some entity.
Okay. Like what?
Robot.
Maybe a building.
Okay.
You know?
Where is your... where?
I will
On top
put
of
it
others,
somewhere.
you put on other buildings.
It fit right here?
Right here. What is this building, huh? Oh, looks like very sketchy. Not real. Police department, yeah?
I'm gonna put it right maybe.
On the road.
Here, no.
There is no way anymore. Okay.
Here.
Okay. Cool.
And how do I open it? How do I open it?
What do you have to do?
How to open a vehicle? Oh! You. Pinned? Okay.
We have
This is
new
the police
building.
station.
New building. Open up.
Alright. I think we need to go.
Why there is grass in this building?
I don't know. Boys.
It's empty.
Let's start fighting.
It is empty.
Hello. I mean, yeah, it's empty.
All buildings are empty. Maybe some shooting robots. Do you have?
No, I'm gonna spawn a crane.
And what you will do with that crane?
I'm gonna just place it like what?
You building the city?
Here.
You want to build a city? To expand the city, I mean, huh?
Bam.
Because
There's a crane right there.
Small town, huh?
now there's a crane.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna add something else too. So this RP, so it's more fun. Maybe a lounge site. I think I need to.
What you trying to build? Apartment block. This looks like a cache apartment, huh? You know?
What?
Yeah. Do you know? No.
Like right
Zooming in, zooming out. What you trying to do?
there.
Okay.
Now let's take a look at this. Where's the entry?
Entry? I don't know.
Oh, here.
Uh-huh.
XFS.
We gonna explore.
Oh, elevator?
Yeah, cool.
Elevator?
Let's go.
Give me.
How to enter this elevator?
You know the,
If it,
jump in there.
uh-huh.
Let's go. Ding, ding, ding. I need some elevator music or something.
Mm-hmm.
You know?
Uh-huh.
Bam, 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 bam. Wait, what is this?
The top of elevator, huh?
Now I'm going
Wow.
up.
You will be crashed, huh, if you're doing this. Huh? You're not supposed to be in here, you know? Down? We're going down.
What's over here?
Balcony. Nice, nice.
There's no furniture.
No
though.
furniture. Yeah.
Maybe we need a like taco place or something.
Yeah. Good idea.
You know, for RP.
Good idea, huh?
I was going up these stairs to look how high this is. Yeah, I can just fly over here.
Fly off.
Oh, look at this.
Okay. The roof, huh? Yeah.
Did the person leave? No. Okay, good. Good that they didn't left. Because we need some more people over here.
Do you?
Well, yeah. But I wanna build something else too.
Okay.
One more thing. One more thing.
And what you are trying to build?
Pizza place.
Pizza.
Pizza time.
Pizzeria.
It's pizza time.
Yeah, perfect, huh?
Perfect placement.
Yeah.
Pin and get out of here. I need to pin it because it's gonna just roam around this building, you know?
Mm-hmm. This
crash.
video is about placing objects. I think,
Look!
huh? Wow, this is cool. Huh? This looks cool. Huh?
Oh, pizza lord.
Wow.
Cinnamon slice? Cinnamon rolls? Chocolate cinnamon slice? Triple chocolate? Tomato
Yeah.
ketchup?
Why you reading?
Oh.
You cannot get pizza here. Just
What's this? Oh, look, I can turn it on.
This is pizzeria building. Huh? Very cute.
Yeah. You know, that's enough for now, you know? So, I'm gonna just end the video on here. Wait, what is this?